Good afternoon and welcome to EDUA 586 Educational Technology. As I said before in my welcome video, I'm Mark Miller. I'm your adjunct professor for the next 8 weeks. And for this afternoon, what I'd like to do is give you an overview of week 1. And as I said last time, when you join and you log in to the Canvas, what you're going to see is the Start Here button. Please make sure you're going to the Start Here. Please making sure that you're reviewing the syllabus. And then from there, you're going to see weekly modules. So if you go to week 1, you're going to see all the content in terms of the dates, the topics, learning outcomes, the Christian message, the my overview video, and then the other information that you would need to fulfill the week 1 requirements. Within that, you will also see in week 1, you're going to have your discussion board. So please click on those to access each of the discussion boards. And then you will also have your assignment details. So that's a little bit of how the Canvas module works if you are new to it. And with that, I like to replicate it each week. So this is not a substitute for the actual module, but I like to give an overview summary. So that explains what you'll be seeing each week. So for this one, we're going to be looking at an introduction to the course, to find your spark, the creativity tools, and the technology in the classroom. Our learning outcomes are to communicate through a variety of digital media and to interact and collaborate using computer-based collaborative tools. And we'll be doing that through the discussion board and through your first assignment. Your videos and creativity tools this week. You have the 3 rules to spark learning and why is technology important to education. And then the creativity tools, as I said in my welcome video, you have about 10 to 15 different web-based tools for which you to select from, for which you complete your assignment, but not only for your assignment, but that you can also use within the classroom moving forward, or if you choose to go in to administration, whatever it may be, right? Like you have these tools that you're ready moving forward. For our discussion board, you're going to post your first assignment there. So you're also going to submit it to your submit assignment, but you're also going to post it to the discussion board, and then you're going to respond to 2 of your peers on that topic. And then the second discussion board is after watching the week 1 videos, you're going to reflect on video, 3 rules to spark your learning, and you're going to discuss what resonated with you and how you can spark your own learning within the classroom environment utilizing technology. And then your first assignment. So for this first assignment, you only have 3 rules. 1, what you create should be available online, because next week you're going to be creating a website and you're going to upload this assignment to that website. You may not use Microsoft PowerPoint, and I want you to try a new tool to challenge yourself. Always start with the rubric, and the rubric will help you understand exactly what you're supposed to be doing. So you're going to be creating something. I'll give you an example of what I've done for my own team. So this is something I've done through Canva, which is, again, very just basic of what I shared with my team when I was new to the position in terms of who I am, what I do, and kind of a little bit about myself, right? So you're going to be doing something creative. And then you're going to upload that to the discussion board and to the submit assignments. As I said before, no late work, anything past the due date. So this week is Thursday. So anything past Thursday is 10% per day. Remember the discussion boards, there is no late work, but you may still respond to your peers as long as it's by Sunday. That's really our opportunity to collaborate, since this is an asynchronous course. For the rubric, please read through the rubric, and also please make sure you cite a source. For this week, you really don't need to cite a source, because you're really just responding to your peers and also to the online video. But you can pull other stuff in, and then again, only participate in the week of which it is due, and there are no early submissions to the discussion board. Christian message, we have a variety of them, and I'm going to let you go through and look at all of them. But this is what I want to focus on, which is Chronicles 22:15-16, which says, "You have many workers, stone cutters, masons, carpenters, as well as those skilled in every kind of work, in gold and silver, bronze and iron, craftsmen beyond number. Now begin the work, and the Lord be with you." And I wanted to share this one because I really like it, in the fact that it talks about creativity, right? And back in the biblical ages, right? Creativity was stonecutters, it was masons, and it's carpenters, and it still is, right? To this day, those folks have an extremely talented craft. Just ask me how many times it takes me to go to Lowe's to put in like 3 bricks, right? Like, so what they do is very skillful. But I like this because, right, we went from creativity in this one setting, and now we're talking about creativity from the technology side, right? And so, no matter where we go in this universe, and whether it be today or 100 years from now, right, that creativity is going to look different, and it's going to continue to evolve. So I say that because go into this course with an open mind, try to learn something new, try to challenge yourself. And I'm here to tell you, you're going to make a few mistakes in this course, right? I'm going to make mistakes teaching this. You're going to make mistakes applying the information, right? But it's really what we learn from it, and how that, and really how do we move forward. So don't be afraid. Just dive in and go for it. Okay. So we covered what's new about me. We covered a sample. And the other thing I wanted to draw your attention to is on the start here as well. If you go to the course resource website, you're also going to see some examples. Okay, so you have your about me. So there's going to be some different examples here that you can choose from. And so the second assignment, you have your website tools. So again, you're going to go to the start here, scroll all the way down past the syllabus, past my welcome video, and then you will have some resources. So as far as starting your assignments, always look at the assignment, look at the rubric, look at the samples, and then dive in. And then if you have questions, please email me, and I'm more than happy to support. With that, have a wonderful week, and God bless.